Here's one of my recent finds at the local habitat, the one from Bellaire to be exact. If you watched my last video, or my last habitat video, you'd see this in it. But anyways, this is a Scotty's Bellaire ceiling fan, or at least I think it is. Scotty's was a hardware store chain in Florida, which no longer exists. And I did see one of these on Craigslist years ago, a new in box that had the label on it, which said Scotty's Bellaire. I have one of these in storage, and it's dated 1984. Maybe there's some other fans that are like this that are under a different label. I have no idea. I had one of these in the mid-90s, and I could have swore it had a reverse switch on it as well. These here don't tend to go very fast, and you can see the fold here in the blades. I don't know what that was intended for. I'm assuming lawsuits, I don't know, and this is probably why this fan doesn't go very fast. But the one I had in the 90s, I could swear it went very fast. But these here don't go as fast as the typical Moss Caribbean Breeze ceiling fan. As you can see, that it has the same exact motor as those fans. After the Moss Caribbean Breeze fans were produced, these motors were still being made in Taiwan by Aircool and Shaichen, maybe other ones, I'm not sure. And you'll see different variances, motors with switch housings, motors with maybe a nut on the bottom, but they seem to be produced all the way up until the mid-1980s. I managed to find a bottom switch housing cap off a antique brass spinner that I have, which I'm probably going to get rid of. I painted it white and had to do a little bit of modification to get it to fit on here, because for some reason it was a little too tight. There's an inner ring that goes around. I had to kind of bend it to make it fit right up in there. Here's the light kit that it came with, and it also came with the J-hook bracket mounting, which is very surprising coming from a habitat. And the fan is in mint shape, I must say. If there's any light scratches on it, there's very few. Let's give it a demo. Has a 4 microfarad capacitor in it, single value. I'm assuming that the speeds tap off the windings. Three speeds, high, medium, and low. Very neat fans. I like these a lot. There is a 4-blade version of this that I have that actually is reversible, and it goes a lot faster. It zips like the regular Moss Caribbean Breeze ceiling fans. Yeah, we're still on. I need to do a video of this as well. So hopefully that will come soon. But at least I can do a demo of it right now. Oh, by the way, the bearings are very good in this. It takes at least 2 minutes for it to spin down going from high. Alright, thanks for watching.